In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Shopify Origin theme. To get started, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. In your theme library, find the Origin theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor where you can control both the overall style of your store and the layout of individual pages. A good place to begin is the gear icon, which opens theme settings. This area is used for global styling, so changes made here can affect the look and feel of your entire store. First, open the logo settings. Here you can upload your brand image and adjust the desktop logo width. This is useful for making sure your header looks balanced and your branding is clear, without taking up too much space. Next, go into colors. The Origin theme is known for a neutral and high-contrast visual style, so this is where you can shape that appearance to better match your brand. Take a moment to review the available color options and make sure your choices still keep text easy to read and buttons easy to notice. After that, open typography. This is where you choose the fonts for your headings and body text. Pick styles that fit your brand while also staying readable across desktop and mobile devices. Clean, simple font choices usually work best for a polished storefront. Once your global settings are in place, click the Sections icon, which looks like 3 blocks, to return to the page editor. From here, click Header to edit elements like your navigation menu and announcement bar. This section is important because it helps visitors move through your store and quickly notice important messages. This lets you insert different content areas such as collage, multi-column, or featured collection. These sections can help you showcase products, organize information, and create a more engaging layout. As you add sections, you can also rearrange them. Just click and hold the 6-dot icon next to any section, then drag it into the order you want. This makes it easy to control the flow of your homepage and decide what visitors see first. When you are happy with your changes, click Save in the top right corner. That covers everything you need to know.